You are losing gains during COVID because gyms are closed? You are not alone. If you are somebody who lifts regularly and train your muscles, and especially for your glutes, you will notice that your muscles will shrink in size and also in hardness without those heavy weights you have been lifting. This is nature's way. Use it or lose it. One way you can keep them hard and still somewhat big is through lightweight sets performed close to failure. Here's a 2017 study showing high loads and low loads lead to virtually identical size in muscle. But of course, you are building endurance tolerance more than maximum strength tolerance. If you don't like lift weight a million times or have the time to do it, there's another way that can keep your muscles somewhat in shape, which is through mental imagery and imagined contractions. Here's a study that shows effects of this phenomenon. I tried it. It was hard in the beginning, but it got easier. And also I imagined myself eating virtual protein. That helped too. Just kidding. If this science proves that lifting virtual weight works, then the question really begs, why are we still lifting real weight, which produces a higher rate of injury than imagined weights? Even the Buttman himself, Bret Contreras, had a glute injury. If you are wondering, how did Tai Chi masters keep their strength and body function without weights? You are not the first. You see, the great martial artists keep their glutes and body in shape. They simply do so using multi-dimensional movements and specific intent in the feet. Apparently, they are able to achieve this because there are over 200,000 nerve endings in the feet that can be stimulated through fascial tension, which build body strength and great glutes response. This method is not for anybody because it requires more time and does not build any significant muscle mass. To summarize, next time if you are stuck on an island or anywhere on this planet, remember, you have 3 options. Number 1, body weight exercises for 1,000,000 times until fatigue. Number 2, imagine you are lifting virtual heavy weight. Number 3, train your feet through hyperarch that improves silk railing strengths.